Today we are starting on the garage door project, and the first step of this is we have to have power run over to the new garage door opener area before Monday. So we're going to go ahead and do that now on Supercar Street Racing, and here's the parts we're going to use. All we're basically going to do today is start off by prepping these parts. We are back in the SCSR kitchen now with the receptacle for the new Jackshaft garage door opener. Now, as you can see, yesterday we did get the receptacle and the cover plate painted black. It does have a tiny little white spot, no big deal. You won't be able to see that. But these are going up on the ceiling where we cut the hole yesterday and got super lucky, and we're like a billionth of a millimeter from the joist up in the ceiling. So first things first, all we have to do right here and right now is to get this pre-wired. And so to do that, we're going to go ahead and open up the back of the receptacle, whatever this is called, the wall box. And this is a type that screws in from like that, and then the tab goes around and holds it to the drywall. It's for just cutting a hole in the drywall. And now we just simply feed our brand new Romex wire. We got 25 feet of 14/2, which is 14 gauge Romex. We feed it right through the box like that, and the rest of which will go in the ceiling before we seal the hole up with the receptacle box. But first, we need to pre-wire this receptacle. Remember, when you do these receptacles, the white wire, the neutral wire, always goes to the left. You see the larger of the two slots on this receptacle, the neutral wire goes to the left when you're facing the receptacle. And now we need a razor knife, which I will go get. Take this Romex wire and strip off enough. Strip off the Romex, strip the paper off the ground. Ground wire is the bare copper wire. Take your scissors. Now let's see if our wire strippers still work. These have been giving me fits lately, probably because I don't know how to operate them. Okay, we got our wire strip back, and we are going to use the quick connector where you just push through the back of the receptacle. And don't forget, white goes to the left, so white would be this side. So you either use the top or the bottom. You don't use one of each. So the top, left side here, you just push the wire in and it locks in place. Same with the black wire, push the wire in and it'll lock, supposedly. Oh, wrong hole. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
All right, that is in there. And it doesn't look like I stripped back the ground enough, but we'll make it work. Now remember, when you are doing your ground, any screw actually, when you make your loop, if you're going to do the screw, your loop always goes in the direction to tighten the screw. You put the loop in like this, the direction of the tighten. Does that make sense? All right, we have successfully finished the first part of getting our new garage door and garage door opener installed. This is the new Chamberlain RJ101, I believe is the model number, Jackshaft opener. Hopefully it's better than this piece of junk up here, which every day or two disconnects from Wi-Fi, and it's almost impossible to get it reconnected. It is the biggest hunk. It will not go into Wi-Fi setup mode no matter what. I have to play with it for 10 or 15 minutes to get it to reconnect to Wi-Fi. And then over here, we did install this electrical outlet and tested it, and it does work. That will be for the opener that will go right here on the wall, and they will just run the plug directly up to the ceiling right there. The garage door will be here on Monday. It is an Aamar Vista garage door to replace this. It has frosted glass, and then they will also install the opener for me. And all this up here will go away. All right, welcome back to the channel. We are currently out here in the garage waiting for the garage door to be delivered, and they said they are about 10 or 15 minutes away. So we are just gonna set up the camera and put video up of them installing the garage door and this Jackshaft opener here. So let's do this. All right, guys, we're back in the Supercar Street Racing garage, and you can see right here and right now, the garage door company just left and installed the Aamar Vista garage door into the garage and the Jackshaft opener. And you can see that up here, it eliminated all of this track, and all we have to do now is just shorten this cord for my extension right here and paint that ceiling black. And then over here on the side, you can see they did install the Jackshaft opener where I put the power, and you can see it right there, and it looks so good. And you can see it right there. It looks so different, and it is a Chamberlain Jackshaft opener. I had no problems with it like I've had with this garage door opener up above. It joined straight to Wi-Fi and was fine. I just have to tie up the wiring right there. And if you see right here and right now, This garage door looks awesome. Let's take it outside now where we can see the outside. All right, we are outside Supercar Street Racing compound, and you can see the Aamar Vista garage door installed from the outside with the frosted glass. And of course you cannot see through this, but it is letting some light through, and you can see the hexagon lights here looking so fly and so fresh. And the sprinklers are going off, and I did tie the sprinklers into the city water so that it would not ruin my pavers with the rust. But stepping back, the house looks absolutely cool now with the new driveway and the new Aamar garage door with frosted glass. It's a Vista. I'll put a link in the description to this right now, but I'll step back here now. That is how the house looks from the street now. And you can see all of the fun things that we have done, wrapping up to be a pretty cool looking place. And walking back up right here and right now, we did the mailbox, the tree delete, new sod, tied the sprinklers in, redid all the sprinklers for the new setup. And now all we have to do is finish our gardens, edging, and same thing over here. Gonna re-edge this. And that should do it. And oh, also the new lounge area right here looking fly as heck. Guys, I just wanted to make one final video here of the outside of the house. And you can see right here that we have the house lights set on light blue. And we have the garage lights set on red, and this is what it looks like from the street. And we can change the internal colors of the garage as well, but this is what it looks like from the street the way it is right now. It looks insane, and just a crazy cool looking exterior now. A million times improvement over what it was before. And I hope that you guys like this video, and if you're interested in any of this stuff, drop me a comment or an email, supercarstreetracing@gmail.com, and I can talk to you guys about how I did it. One more video here of the light blue, and this looks insane. Level 1000, guys. I love it. This thing does 8K video. Whoa. What?
Oh, so where you scrolling out of the attic? I thought we was going in there.
Got him! Got him! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!